Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Janavi from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Currently, I am studying in second semester Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Please do cast your valuable like and view on my video and watch completely. Your likes and views would fetch more marks. Subscribe and share to many as possible. Today we are going to discuss on the subject Applied Chemistry for CSE stream. In this session we are going to cover the topic is sensors. The agenda for this video is introduction, types of sensors, chemical sensor, conductometric sensor, electrochemical sensor and conclusion. Introduction. The word sensor derives from Latin word sensus and means feeler. Sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. Sensor converts physical input into an electrical signal. Types of sensor. Based on conversation, it is classified into three types: thermoelectric sensor, photoelectric sensor, electromagnetic sensor. Based on output, temperature and light source. Based on detection, chemical sensor, biological sensor, electric sensor. Chemical sensor. It is a device that has capable to giving real-time analytic information about test sample. Example: electrochemical, conductometric, optical sensor, etc. It interacts with a specific chemical analyte, detects it and products the signal proportional to its quantity. Chemical sensors analyze in the target species which is being detected and measured using a sensor. It consists of three major components. First one is receptor, second one transducer, third one signal processors and amplifier, fourth one electric signal and display. Receptor, transducer, signal processor and amplifier and display. Conductometric sensors. Principle. Conductometric sensors are the electrochemical sensors based on the measurement of electric conductance of analyte solution, in which determination of concentration of analyte as based on measurement of changes occurs in electrolyte solution. The electrode used to measure change in electrolytic conduction of an electrolyte. Conduction of a solution is based on first one, the number of ions present in the solution, second one, mobility of ions. Applications. Used to estimate acids and bases in a sample, used to estimate the amount of acids in their mixtures, used to check the amounts of ionic impurities in water sample, used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of sea water and fresh water. Conductometric biosensors are used in biomedicine, environmental monitoring, used in biotechnology and agriculture related applications. Electrochemical sensor. Principle. Electrochemical sensor are measures the concentration of analyte solution by oxidizing or reducing the analyte solution at an electrode. The transducer component of electrochemical sensor consists of working or sensing, counter and reduction of the analyte solution. The electrolyte is a part of electric circuit of an electrochemical sensor system. Electrolyte is transport charge within the sensor, stabilize the reactants and products for efficient transport and stable under all the conditions of sensor operation. Applications used for detection of dissolved oxygen in water boiler, used for water analysis and environmental monitoring like detection of nitrogen, sulfur and carbon monoxide and pH of water. Applications used in diagnostic and healthcare applications like monitoring of glucose blood, Ca2+, Fe2+, etc. Used in soil parameter analysis and agriculture applications used in security and defense applications. Conclusion: sensors play a crucial role in various industries and applications. Sensors are used in fields such as automotive, healthcare, agriculture and manufacturing, enhancing productivity and safety. Thank you to all for watching this video.